Have you ever wondered what the future holds for artificial intelligence? Let's dive into the fascinating world of deep learning and explore how this technology is shaping the future, particularly in the case of advanced humanoid robots like Sophia. Section 1. What is deep learning? Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that mimics the workings of the human brain. It involves artificial neural networks with multiple layers that process information and learn from data. By training these networks on vast amounts of data, they can recognize patterns, make predictions, and even generate creative content. Section 2. Sophia, a pioneer in AI. Sophia is a groundbreaking humanoid robot developed by Hanson Robotics. Equipped with advanced AI and deep learning capabilities, Sophia can engage in natural conversations, recognize faces, and express a wide range of emotions. Her development marks a significant milestone in the field of human-robot interaction. Section 3. How deep learning powers Sophia. Deep learning plays a crucial role in Sophia's abilities. It enables her to understand and respond to human language, recognize facial expressions, and even generate her own creative content. By analyzing massive data sets of human language and behavior, Sophia can learn to communicate and interact in a more human-like manner. Section 4. The future of AI and humanoid robots. The future of AI and humanoid robots is incredibly exciting. As deep learning continues to advance, we can expect robots like Sophia to become even more sophisticated and capable. They may one day be able to perform complex tasks, provide companionship, and even contribute to scientific research. Section 5. Ethical considerations. While the potential benefits of AI are vast, it's important to consider the ethical implications. As AI becomes more advanced, we must address questions about privacy, safety, and the potential for job displacement. It is crucial to develop ethical guidelines for AI development and use. Conclusion. Deep learning is revolutionizing the field of artificial intelligence, and Sophia is a prime example of this progress. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more remarkable advancements in robotics and automation. However, it's important to approach this technology with a sense of responsibility and ensure that it benefits humanity as a whole.